Hey guys, if your NVIDIA Control Panel is missing from your Windows 11 computer, then keep watching, as in this video I'll show you some steps on how you can fix this issue. So the very first thing we need to do is just head over to your start menu and search for services, and then head over to this services window here. Now inside of this list of services, we need to scroll all the way down, and we're looking for a service called NVIDIA Display Container. So once you've found this NVIDIA Display Container inside of here, we're just going to double click on this service and make sure the startup type is set to automatic, and make sure the service status is set to running. Now if you have the service status as stopped, you can always press the start button here to restart the service. Then we're just going to go ahead and press apply and OK. The second thing you need to do inside of here is just to right click on this NVIDIA Display Container and then come over to restart. So once you've finished that, we can close out of this window, and we're going to head over to our start menu and then just search for Device Manager. Come over to the Device Manager control panel, and from here we need to come down to Display Adapters and expand this drop down, and you need to locate your NVIDIA graphics card inside of here. Once you've located your NVIDIA graphics card, we're simply going to right click on it, come into Update Driver, and then press Search Automatically for drivers. We can then close out of here, and another thing worth doing is just right clicking on your graphics card again and coming into Uninstall Device. Once you've uninstalled your graphics card, to reinstall it, we'll simply need to come over to Action at the top and then select Scan for Hardware Changes. Now this will automatically reinstall the NVIDIA graphics card for you, and if that doesn't work, you can always restart your computer and the drivers will automatically be reinstalled on starting up. So once you've done that, you can check to see if that's fixed the issue. Otherwise, another thing you can do is come down to your system tray on your computer and select this Show Hidden Items button. Then we just need to locate our NVIDIA settings in this control panel, right click, and then come over to NVIDIA Control Panel. Now if that doesn't work, you can always try coming over to your start menu and searching for settings, and then head over to the settings window. From the left hand side, just come into apps, inside of installed apps, and then search for NVIDIA. Now if you do have the NVIDIA Control Panel installed in here, then we can just come over to these three little dots and select advanced options, come all the way down to this reset option, and first of all just press this repair button, and once that's finished we can also press this reset button at the bottom down here, and then just confirm by clicking reset. Now if that still doesn't work, or you don't have the NVIDIA Control Panel inside of your applications here, the final thing you can do is just head over to your start menu and search for Microsoft Store, come over to the store, and then from the search box at the top we can just search for NVIDIA Control Panel, and then you can simply try re-downloading the application from here. As you can see, I already have it installed, so it won't let me install it again, and once you've installed it, that should have now fixed your issue. If this video did help you, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.